Now let's take a look at how you make a payment in Silverbird. The first thing you're going to want to do is to create a beneficiary, someone that you can send the payment to. So we do that in the beneficiaries section on the left hand side here. I've already got 2 beneficiaries previously set up, but let's set up a new one. I'm going to click on add beneficiaries in the top right hand corner. I'm going to choose the country that that beneficiary lives in. Let's say, for example, you have a look at France. I'm going to choose the currency account, so in this case it's euros. I'm going to click continue. I'm then going to provide the account details for that beneficiary. So put the details that I have for my beneficiary into these 2 fields and click continue. I can then provide the legal name of the person that I'm sending the money to. So beneficiary. And the registered address, which in this case is the same as the country that the account is in. So that's France as well. City, Paris, street. Continue here. Review those details that you've created and click on add beneficiary. You'll then be asked to enter your security code. This is again to check that you're, the correct person is adding a beneficiary to your account. So I'm going to get my text message code, paste that in here. I'm going to type my code in, click on confirm a new beneficiary. So now when I go back to the beneficiaries section, I can see here that that new one that I've added has been shown in this list. Now I can create my transaction to that beneficiary for the first time. So I'm going to click on create transfers on the left hand side. I choose the account that I'm going to pay from, so in this case it's my euro account. I choose my beneficiary, so this would be the beneficiary that I just created, the person who's going to be sent the money. I can choose between Swift and local bank transfer. Again, make sure that you're choosing the right option here. International payments use Swift. In this case, it's a local bank transfer. Choose the reason. Give it a reference. And then choose the amount that you'd like to transfer. You'll be shown here the fee that you'll be charged for this transaction. Click on continue when you're happy. And again, as a security measure, you'll be asked to send a code that's been sent to your mobile phone. I'm going to type the code that I've been sent into this box now. Confirm the details. And then there, my transfer has been created. You'll notice the status is pending and it has a cut-off time. So this is when you can expect that payment to go through. You can also check to see the status of pending transactions and any other transactions that you've got in the transaction section on the left hand side. So here select outgoing transactions and you'll see that this transaction we've just created is pending, and then this will be changed to completed when that transaction has gone through.